How to create a mirror chart in Excel. A mirror chart is a type of chart that compares two sets of data in a symmetrical way. It can be useful for showing the differences or similarities between two groups of values, such as sales, expenses, profits, etc. To create a mirror chart in Excel, you need to follow these steps. Prepare your data in a table with one column for each group of values. Make sure to enter the values of one group as negative numbers, so they will appear on the opposite side of the vertical axis. Select the data range and insert a stack bar chart from the Insert tab in the Charts group. Right-click on the horizontal axis and select Format Axis. In the Format Axis pane, change the minimum and maximum bounds to 0, and set the axis labels to none. Right-click on the vertical axis and select Format Axis. In the Format Axis pane, check the Categories in Reverse Order option, and set the label position to low. Delete the grid lines and legend by pressing Delete on your keyboard or unchanged them from the chart elements icon. Format the data series by changing their colors, shapes, outlines, and gap width as you like.